Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kick off my tinker day in my storage. Somebody asked me about an ignition coil. I got one there. Somebody said they needed this hubcap. So I'm going to take that with me. And I'm going to look for myself a hydraulic tensioner and get out of here. This 850 here jump time, 93 model. Tapping Gulf rope, nice and loose, done. Finally found the other control arm that I need to make a pair aluminum control arms. Looks like this one has the original tensioner too. Looking for a tensioner to do my timing parts, and this looked like it had the original water pump. I'm also trying to get these oil cooler lines, so let me see if I could get it loose from down here and go from there. Spent too much time at the junkyard, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil real quick. Queen B. Gotta find my 17mm. Don't know where that is, but let me move Queen B where I can do that real quick. About this sunroof shade, it's bouncing around. One of the latches not right in it. I wonder if I could get that without taking the sunroof all the way out. Let me try that. I could have got that shade out without taking the sunroof all the way out. So I got the sunroof out. I got the shade swapped out. One of the clips on the replacement shade was busted, so I swapped one off the old one. And the replacement's a little cleaner. So anyway, let me go ahead and get this sunroof in before it gets dark. Set my service light, which is 4151. 4 1 Might have missed it. Yeah, I think I missed it. I'm gonna have to cycle the key. We're in the junkyard looking for a tensioner. You want to find one that is probably good. You need to find one with paint on it, like this. That one's probably been replaced within the last 10 years. If they don't have no paint on them, they're probably original. Wiped out the piston area. I'm compressing it nice and slow. See if it's any good. If it's not good, I'll just take it back to the junkyard for a credit, order a brand new one. It is good and dry. So I found a good one. I'm going to put that one in the Panther as soon as it warms up enough to do the timing belt. And I should have got my service light reset this time. Yep, the service light is reset. The check engine light don't work on this thing. So I don't know if I'm going to do something about that or not. I don't know if it matters. With a 95 model, they smoke the emissions. But I got the shade done, and I'm done for the day. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.